Hello everyone, today we teach you to upgrade its Volkswagen Golf VE. First, we remove the original car decoration frame. Then, we screwed off the 4 screws that fixed the original vehicle host. Then take out the original car host, unplug all the plugs on the back of it. That is what it is like to dismantle it all. Now we will install the plastic base. Refix the 4 screws. OK, start connecting wires to the new screen. This is the 4th generation antenna. It has to. This is the GPS antenna. This is the video input line. This is a USB transmission line. This is the original car USB adapter cable. This is the RCA audio line. This is the radio antenna. Now we connect the canvas box. Then the new power line is connected to the original vehicle power plug. Connect the communication plug. Then the red and white plug on the power supply is connected with the red and white plug of RCA. Connect the USB adapter line to the original vehicle USB. Connect the original car radio plug. Finally, connect the screen power supply plug. Now install the decorative frame of the original car. Then install the new screen knob. Now that the installation is completed, we need to set up canvas before using it. Under Settings, Entry Factory Settings, Input Password, Entry Canvas Settings. Select Solution Provider, select Car Series, select Model. You click to confirm. Then we'll go to Settings, click Other Settings, click Open Float Bar. Support original car USB socket thread. You can listen to local or other software online music. You can adjust your favorite timbre according to your preferences. Radio stations in the current area can be automatically searched. You can watch local or other software online video. Support local maps or other software online maps. Support Bluetooth phone and Bluetooth music. Support wireless Carplay Android-auto. You can call here, listen to songs, use online maps and other mobile applications. Okay, this video is here. Thank you for watching.